Hi friends, it's Starr from the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry here in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm coming to you today to talk about building a STEM kit at home. So STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And over the coming weeks, we're going to share with you one of our popular programs, Brown Bag STEM Challenge. When we're at the museum, we give out bags of materials, and with the materials, you can complete the week's challenge. So it might be something like build a pom-pom launcher or build a multi-tool, all kinds of fun things. But you're going to be able to do these things at home. And the easiest way is if you make your own STEM kit. So here it's just a simple, I found a container lying around and some old cups, and so we just can organize a few things. Your kit's gonna look a little different because it's based on what you have at home. Here, I have some Q-tips. Man, those things are great for everything. I have pom-poms. I'm gonna take these things out so I have a little more room. And I have some string and yarn. Got some corks. Grown-ups, you may have a few of these lying around at the end of all this. You know what I'm talking about. We've got some bottle caps in here, lots of water bottles and things like that you might be able to recycle. We've got some pipe cleaners we've also cut up some egg cartons. Those are great to reuse. We need all kinds of fasteners. So we've got some rubber bands and some paper clips. We've got some different size craft sticks we had lying around. And these are coffee filters and some old tissue paper we had left over as well. We have ribbon and fabric. And of course we have some old straws and coffee stirrers that we're reusing. All of these things have been cleaned and they're ready to go for our challenges. I also found some paper cones. You might have some paper cups lying around. We'll put those in there. And we cut up some cardboard. Those are really handy. Definitely gonna need some scissors. We've got some tape. You might have regular Scotch tape, whatever you have, it's fine. And then we have a ruler because sometimes we like to measure things. Gotta keep that math in there. So we have our kit ready to roll when we roll out our next challenge. We hope you can find some fun things to do and take a look at all this great stuff. You guys donated this. It's awesome. All right, y'all, have fun out there and remember to tag us at Explore CML with your photos and videos of your challenges.